Alright, issue 114. We're going to put a bunch of, looks like some type of heat sinks on our reactor drum. And I just have like the two little parts, the options set up here, Mr. Fusion or just the old school plutonium hatch. We'll set those to the side. We're working on the drum. Heat sink's going to go around here. Looks like this kit, they finally gave us another screwdriver, and after all this time, which all the original screwdrivers I have, most of them, I don't even know if I have them still. This one might have been one from the kit originally. It's either that or it's from the Enterprise model kit, which luckily I canceled before Eaglemoss went under. Got to get all these issues done, make sure, hopefully, I just hope I have all the issues, but hopefully nothing's damaged, you know what I mean? Oh, we're going to be dealing with a lot of small items. Let me make sure we're all in view here. And got the AC off so it's not too loud. Okay, a couple of cable holders and all these little heat sinks. Wow, this is going to be tedious. They all just like fit onto here. And they get screwed in. Okay. We're going to have a good tray to hold this on. Make it easier for me. Ooh, it is magnetic. Their screwdriver is magnetic. Let's try to use it. Put it to good use. Gotta do the same process all the way around, so we're about to fast forward probably. Alright, there it is. All the little heat sink looking things are in place. Now we're going to feed the cable down through the middle of our reactor table, platform, whatever. Like so. There's a little nubbin. Put that nubbin in place. Get that nubbin in there. That's going to go down to that channel, but first we need to put a couple of BP screws in place to hold our reactor drum onto the reactor platform. Second BP screw, snug, don't want over tight because that is plastic. That's held on good. Alright, now looks like we have to put on, maybe we got a couple of cable holders. Just one. Maybe they give me an extra. So this guy is going to be held on something like that. maybe. Unless it's that way. It's showing the screw should be on this side, but that thing don't fit for sure. We'll try it on this side. KM, doesn't really matter. KM screw, M for metal. Again, snug. That's it. That is it. There it is. Alright. Cool, man. We're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. Okay. Animated adventure. Cast of animated Back to the Future series included Einstein, Marty, Doc Brown, Clara, and the boys Jules and Vern. Oh, I'd so like to see a continuation of this movie franchise, because they could do, you know, Doc's kids, the, you know, main characters. Doc and Marty could even come back, even at their age, for the actor's age, cameos. Okay, that's it. Issue 114 in the history books. Boom.